Welcome to Quiz Flash. Think you can name every car logo out there? From supercars like Ferrari and Lamborghini to everyday rides like Toyota and Ford. You've got just a few seconds per logo, so buckle up and see if you're a true car expert. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic logo quizzes every week. Give me an A. The correct answer is ADK. What is it? The correct answer is Derby. Name the brand. It's Intermechanica. Another logo. That's right, Agrali. A new logo appears. That was Higer. Ready, set, guess. That was B Engineering. Next in line. That was Changfeng. What do you see? Edrin. Keep going. Zotia. What company is this? It's Johnway. What's the name? La Rocky. Who's next? Zongzing. Ready? Jeep. Can you get this? Arca. Go. AMG. Ready for the next one? You guessed it, Python. What brand is this? You guessed it, Easy Go. It's your turn. You guessed it, Yulin. Your next challenge. The answer is Dina. Can you get this one? The logo belongs to Spiker. One more. It's PGO. New logo on the screen. Hispano Suiza. Look at this. The correct answer is Avia. Do you know this one? The answer is Perforce. Ready for the next? It's Zeekr. One more to guess. The correct answer is Lotec. It's time to guess. Amusa. Next up. That was Callaway. Look here. That was Vauxhall. Do you know this one? The brand is Acura. Go on. Rolls-Royce. Ready for the next? The correct answer is BAW. What's on screen? AJS. What's that logo? The correct answer is Borgward. Your guess. You guessed it. Inferno. Another one. What's the name? Hummer. Ready for the next? That was Oris. Another one. IKCO. Can you recognize it? It's Hino. The logo is. The logo belongs to Sherry. What do you think? Ariel. Name the brand. That's right, Bugatti. Go for it. That's right, AC. Ready to guess again? The logo belongs to TVR. Try to guess. That's right, Aberdonia. What's the brand here? Genesis. Here's the next. The answer is KG Mobility. The next logo. Bidder. Who is this? Toyota. Your turn. It's Sunra. Look at the screen. You guessed it, Arash. Ready for the next one? That was BYD. New one now. Jodeline. A new puzzle. The answer is Timor. The next logo. The correct answer is Bollinger. Another guess. Ilinga. The next logo is. The answer is Joss. Let's find out. The answer is Willys. Give me your guess. You guessed it, Mazzati. Look closely. It's Skoda. Look at the logo. That's right, Brilliance. Let's keep going. Spadia GTA. The next one is a challenge. That's right, Infinity. What's this? BMW. A different brand. You guessed it, Asia Motors. Here's a new one. The answer is Haima. Another logo. What's its name? It's Oscari. Let's keep going. You found Holden. What is the name? Apple? Can you get this? You found Fa. Name that brand. That's right, Great Wall. Next. The logo belongs to Della Chapelle. Next round. Ixem. Let's try this. It's DKW. Take a guess. That's right, GAC Motors. Do you recognize it? That's right, Scania. Can you get this? The correct answer is Mini. A new one on the screen. You found Changan. What's the name? Aldia Spark. Your turn. The correct answer is Sauber. Next question. The correct answer is Tesla. Next. The answer is Force. Let's move on. Corvette. Look at the logo. Correct. It's Mosler. Who is this logo for? Correct. It's Lucid Motors. Next, please. Oldsmobile. What is this one? The logo belongs to Sunbeam. Let's continue. CTT United. And now for the next. That's right, Afei. Ready to guess? Alfa Romeo. What's your answer? The answer is Daihatsu. Another go. That was Bellier. Let's try this one. It's Abbott. Guess the company. Chin Chun Motor. What's the logo? The answer is Italcar. What company is this? Romaine. The next one is a challenge. The answer is Antaros. The next logo. The logo belongs to Covini Engineering. One more question. You found Birkin. Onward. Capra.